Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll tell you how to get your provincial health card in Canada. Once you land here, you must register yourself under provincial health coverage to get medical facility. First, get at least one of the below documents which can prove your address and they consider as an address proof. First, bank statement. Now don't get confused with your bank e-statement. E-statement doesn't contain your address details in Canada. You can get the paper once you open the bank account. You can ask bank representative to provide a address details with a bank representative signature and stamp, and they'll do it for you. You can use it as an address proof. Second, property lease agreement. Signature of both parties should be there, owner and renter. Third, property insurance paper where your name and address is mentioned. Fourth, electricity or utility bill. Normally you don't get this in first 30 days of your stay, so you cannot consider this as an address proof. When you register for the health coverage. Now, document requires to create provincial health card. First, your legal entitlement of your stay. You can use passport in this case. Your staying duration, study permit or work permit. Your address proof. I have already discussed in the last slide. Where to go and how to do this? You have to go to your nearest license and registry office. You can search in the Google Map easily. In Alberta, they are called Mojo office. Tell them that you have landed Canada recently and you want to enroll for provincial health card. They will check three documents mentioned in the last slide. They will hand over one page of document and you need to fill. That document is very easy to fill up and don't need to worry about that. Submit the form itself in the counter and they will do necessary paperwork for you. Health card form will come to your registered address through Canada Post and it will take almost 2 weeks. In this document, details of the insured person and coverage number is there. Note, it will take around 2 weeks for your health card to arrive in your address. Please do not share your health card with others. Although you need to share with the hospitals, etc., as it contains your health card ID. Now, I'd like to thank you for viewing my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, any question, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer your query. Thank you and have a nice day.